Are you stuck in a 9 to 5 cycle? I used to think I'll be working like that for the rest of my life. Every day I was waking up, going to work, feeling down. I would count the hours just to get through the week. I felt like I was stuck, trading my time for money, and I couldn't see a way out. Then I found digital marketing, and it changed everything for me. I've learned how to set up a business that works while I don't. Now with just a couple hours a day, I'm making money without being tied to a desk. I don't feel stuck anymore, and I've got freedom, time to enjoy life and still making income. And guess what? You don't have to be a tech expert just to get started. If you're ready to break free from the 9 to 5 cycle and create freedom for you, for yourself, for your family, tap I'm ready in the comments and I'll show you how to get started.